Club. This is day one and race one we're going to be filming. It's blowing a good 20 knots, so it's weather. Plenty of boats with some of the best sailors in the world. We've got the world champion Jan here, Fletcher Warren Myers, among Mick Butler, all those guys. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty good series. We're looking forward to getting out there, and we'll see how we go. So short, choppy seas, about 1 metre swell, maybe more, 20 knots. It's going to be interesting. I think this day one is just going to be about survival, just keeping the boat upright and not losing myself or Aria overboard. I just do a jibe quickly. You ready? Jib off. I'm not that worried with the first race, so just got to get a bit of a feel. Alright, watch your head, here it comes. Rotation. Yeah, let's just get ready on the wire. So we'll just go for a mosey on this one. Alright, come out. Down or up because I can't see. Come back. Go in. Jib off a bit. Jib off a bit. Not too much. I'm coming in. Shovel her out a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. Drop in behind Nige, here we go, 3, 2, 1. Shovel her out. Driving on top of. You ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. Watch your head. That's it, good. We caught up quite a bit now. Really want to catch these waves, so. Again, keeping an eye out for boats all the time. Alright, ready? Here we go. 3, 2. I reckon. Now. Here we go. Ready with the drive? That's it. Right up the front. Went way too early there, sorry, I didn't realise. Huh? I don't know. So they have to do a penalty, they hit the flag. It'll be nice they hit the flag. Alright, that was okay. Alright, that was race 1. That was pretty hairy. Big seas but short tops, so we're getting slammed around. Boat was a bit slow, I'm not too sure what's going on there. Again, it's the first time we've used the sails, or the Zephyr sails, so it could be just the way it's dialed in, or not too sure. But yeah, we're going for race 2 now, so hopefully we'll get a better start. That was a good little test around the course. I don't think we did super bad, so yeah. Alright, stick around, let's see what happens in race 2.